There was a research that was done with 200 PlayStation 3 devices. PlayStation 3, what is that? Old gaming console, right? These PlayStation devices are known for its hardware specs. Yes or no? Very heavy, yeah. So they are known for the hardware spec because in a laptop or a PC, you will not be having a heavy duty graphic card. Yes or no? But on PlayStation device, obviously it will have to have a great graphic card. Yes or no? Why graphic card? A computer or a CPU by default has a graphic card which is inbuilt, but it's not really a heavy processing graphic card, right? Because a system usually does not require, unless you are a heavy duty gamer, right, or an animator, or someone who works on visual space. Am I clear? Yes or no? Right. Now, there was a group of members who managed to put 200 PlayStation 3 consoles, which means you have a PlayStation 3, right? There is another PlayStation, another, like that there. In one full rack, they put 200 PlayStation devices. And you know the worst part? They connected all the PlayStation into one serial interface. You understand what I'm saying? Right? There are 200 PlayStation devices. Imagine this wall, right? Say to build from there till here, this whole piece, right? If I start building it, I think I'll be able to finish it in 20 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.